Alright guys, today I've got a great lesson on Imagination by Shiloh Dynasty. Now this is another great Shiloh song with some very similar chords as we've already learned in other tutorials, so you can check them out on my channel. But otherwise, let's get straight into it. So we're in standard tuning, which means we've got E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, now there's only 4 chords we need to know. They aren't too hard to get your head around. There's only really one bar chord that might cause you a bit of strife, but it's really worth learning that because there are plenty of major 7 chords that are going to be valuable to learn using a bar chord rather than trying to do something open. Okay, so I've just started a Discord community as well that I'd love for you to join. It's a great community where we can hang out. We're going to learn plenty more guitar in there, as well as do a few challenges that you'll get to participate in that I've come up with. So it's a lot of fun. Come join me over there. You can check out a link in the description. Anyway, here are the chords for Imagination. So we've got a C major 7, so that's barred on the 3rd fret from the 5th to the 1st string, but we're only playing from the 5th to the 2nd string in this one. So 3rd fret of the 5th, 5th fret of the 4th, 4th fret of the 3rd, 5th fret of the 2nd. So that's a C major 7. So remember, just the 5th to the 2nd string, and the timing is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So playing on the 1st beat, slapping on the 3rd beat. And if you're not familiar with the slapping technique, all you really need to do is make sure that you're muting the strings and getting a little slap. The slap mainly comes out of the 6th string or the lower strings, but you don't want to hit it and then come off, because that's when you'll hear some strings ringing out. So if you play that chord, you've got a C major 7, you just really need to put your fingers or even just your palm to the strings and hear that little slap. It doesn't need to be anything too crazy. So the first bar is a C major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go on to an A minor 7, which will be up here on the 5th fret, and you can just bar this. We're playing the 6th string, the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. That's our A minor 7. You can use 4 fingers across that if you want as well. Okay? And we're going to do exactly the same timing there. 1, 2, 3, 4, slapping on the 3rd beat. So we've got our C major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to move up to an E9. So that's up on the 7th fret of the 5th string. Then we've got down here with our index finger the 5th fret of the 4th string there, then 7th fret of the 3rd and 2nd strings with our ring and pinky. So you should have nothing for the 6th and 1st string, then 7, 5, 7, 7. So it should sound like this. That's our E9. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th beat we'll change to a new chord. So far we've got our C major 7, A minor 7, then onto your E9, and then on the 4th beat of that bar we're going to go to a B minor 7. So just like the A minor 7, but slide it up 2 frets. So we've got our 6th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string all on the 7th fret. Okay, so from our E9, and the timing is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So still slapping on the 3rd beat of every bar, but the only difference is on our E9 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th beat we'll move to that B minor 7. So let's play through that slowly now, from our C major 7 to our A minor 7 to our E9 to our B minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's play it up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's really all we're going to do throughout the whole song. We'll just keep on repeating that riff. So I hope you've enjoyed this Shiloh tutorial, and you can check out my next tutorial from Shiloh just up there.